Alright guys, so let's use the key of D major for easy illustration, or let's take it down a little bit because I know a whole lot of people don't understand the key of D. So let's use the key of D flat major or C sharp major so that everybody can understand it, or a whole lot of people can understand it. Alright, you can actually take it to other keys of your choice after this lesson, so you're not restricted by any means. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first accidental note that we have there, which is D. Okay, and right now on the key of D flat it is D. Okay, like it's D for real. So basically on the key of D flat major, the sixth chord is gonna be a B flat minor chord. Okay, but when we make that modification and take this middle note from the B flat minor chord, like we take the middle note there and we put it there to the D, or raise it to the D there, it's gonna turn to a major chord. All right, so right now you can see that it's giving you that D sound, okay, because that is the distinct sound that sounds out of the major scale. That's the D flat major scale. So you can see right now that the misconception that whenever you're playing on these chords, anything that sounds somehow weird is now a minor chord. No, it's not minor. You just have to look at it very carefully and try to know the chord quality that you just got. All right, so right now it's a major chord. Great is your mercies towards me. Day after day. I hope you can see it. Alright, I don't want to go more than that. I'm having nasal congestion as well, so don't mind me. So that's for that. Alright, so I hope you understand it right now. So let's go to the next one.